What if a disaster movie turned into sci-fi chaos halfway through? The Great Flood starts strong. A massive flood traps a mother and her young son, with thrilling survival tension and striking visuals of water swallowing everything in sight. Critics say the action and emotion early on hit hard, but once the story shifts into sci-fi territory, the plot gets confusing and overly ambitious, with ideas that don't always pay off. Many viewers love the spectacle and performances from Kim Da-mi and Park Hae-soo, but feel the narrative loses clarity as it goes. Did The Great Flood work for you, thrilling or bewildering? Comment, thrilling, or confusing, and like if you watch disaster movies for the spectacle first.